Hey everybody, welcome to another version of Online PE, March 15th through the 19th. This is our next section in basketball. We've been having a lot of fun with all the grades. It's easier, some it's harder, but we're going to be moving on. So this is the page you're on, of course. Again, I'm going to keep giving you this warm up. I think it's great. You can do more than one, you can do three, four, whatever you want, but it's a great little warm up for everything we do. The next is the animal match. You pick the animal you like, and then you do the workout, kind of like we've been doing. Very simple. And then we're going to have these stationary dribbling drills. These are awesome. I've been doing a lot of these with the kids. You can just find a place on the ground, in the garage, on the sidewalk, and maybe just practice dribbling. You don't have to do these, but any of them that you can do are awesome. Basketball's a lot of fun, but it's very difficult. So I will let you go and good luck this week. Hope you enjoy all the activities.